Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hee hee. Thanks.
I don't want pumpkin tomato. I want chicken feet.
Nope. You are not having chicken feet. That is so nasty. You are eating pumpkin tomato.
I want chicken feet. I don't want pumpkin tomato.
Stop hovering and eat your pumpkin tomato.
That's it. Since you are not getting me chicken feet and eat this garbage, I'm going to push in the fridge.
Wah 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 wah. It hurts. What the motherfuck is wrong with you, Ratty? How dare you knock over the fridge and hurt gray window and sky? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded.